Hi, it's Maria from the Tarot Shop here, and this is a new deck. It's called the Dream Song Oracle. It's another Angie Sullins deck. She's written it, and the artwork is by Marta Orlowska. I think that's how you say it. So Angie's decks are always really quite luxurious. They are beautiful, well-presented decks and very powerful for self-development. So you've got here So inside here, you've got your dream song is the original melody the universe sang into your soul upon birth. It is your muse, your guide, and your sovereign siren. This is your invitation to remember and revitalize that song. Dancing to its rhythm awakens divine play. Dream deep and sway wild. The world is your dance floor. I always love her decks for this. So once upon a time, you were friends with the stars. Your neighbour was the moon, story was your guardian, and dreams your native language. When you had an idea, Lila, goddess of play, circled you with joy, calling upon your creativity. Making your way through the universe was a playful dance as you moved to the dream song of your heart. Travel the pages of this oracle map to reawaken your dream song. Use the wisdom contained in this guidebook and oracle deck to support your connection to authenticity. You deserve it. Listen to your dream song. It has come to guide you home. Includes a 45 gold gilt-edged, you see there, the luxury deck, an organza drawstring pouch, and a lushly illustrated 104. They make it sound delicious, don't they? So that's the book. It's one of these magnetic, one of the magnetic types. Beautiful box. Pop that to one side. A monster book, very thick. At the beginning, she will tell you again why she'd started it. I love how they do this. It makes it look quite antiquated. Right, so introduction. She tells you about it. It's all about, you know, feeling enough. It's about empowerment. So this is what this deck is, an empowering deck. So how to use it. So every person is gifted with intuition. And the cards. So you've got each of the cards here not in numerical order. So they're in numerical order, not alpha. So you will need to keep the book by your side. Okay, then we've got, so hopefully at the beginning she's got an index. You'll just use the number. Yeah. I'm just thinking about how you're going to search for the card's meaning at the end of it. Okay, so about the author, the artist. And that's it. So that's the book, which you obviously need. I'll do a card pull at the end of it so you can see. Okay, here we are. They are glossy. As you see, we've got the luxury deck again and the organza pouch. So you pop them inside there. Usually with a crystal. Crystal's a really good idea to pop inside the pouch as well. And I recommend amethyst because it heals. Okay, so we have obviously intended for reversals. We'll have a look at it in a moment to see what the cards mean. Okay, so we've got number 1. Enter the conversation. It's the beginning of everything, isn't it? So take your face off. Take the mask off. Seek the truest self. Tend the roots of reciprocity. So giving and receiving. Do let me know in the comments what you think. Love these. I must admit, I'm a huge fan of hers. I do enjoy Angie's deck. She's, you know, a voice for empowerment. She really is. Obviously, the empowerment is up to you. She just gives you a tool. Good. We fall, we fail, and we fly. This is very Venus, isn't it? So a protection, bubble your boundaries. And you do that by literally imagining you're in a bubble of protection. Abracadabra. It's a magical word, you know. Did you know, did you know, did you know? That's a difficult one to do, to lean into the storm. Grab your monster by the tail. Oh, I like that. Indulge the whimsy. Turn your back. Oh. So I think now you can actually have a good feel for the energy around these cards. And as with Oracle, these will appeal if this is your style, that they will talk to you and they'll say, you need to have me or not. Right, okay. Random card message. I know I haven't shuffled, but it doesn't matter because they're not in alpha. We'll take from the top. Unfurl the wings of forgiveness. So number 45. So then you would get your book. Remember we said you have to go numbers because they're 45. Creatures of the air understand you need 2 wings to fly. Soaring through life's turbulent skies requires the wing of accountability and the wing of compassion. Healing power is found between the opposing forces of the two. Do you need to hold yourself or someone else accountable right now? What needs to be called out, owned, embodied? Or do you need to forgive yourself or another right now? Cultivate empathy. Give yourself or another the benefit of the doubt. Compassion keeps your heart receptive. Accountability keeps you fierce, protected and boundaried. Engage both and your psyche will soar uninhibited. There you go. So that might mean something to you or not. Okay, so that's the Dream Song Oracle by Angie Sullings. The artwork is by Marta. Okay, thanks very much for your time. Bye-bye.